Hey there, and welcome back to Robinhood, where smart strategies help you take control of your financial future. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. 10 of the most reliable assets you can invest in to build serious wealth without the stress of constantly checking the stock market or worrying about inflation eroding your savings. Now, you might be wondering, is it really possible to build wealth without the high risks? The answer is yes, and by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how you can use these assets to set yourself up for life. And if you stick around, I'll also show you how one of these assets, the fastest and most reliable way to grow your wealth, has been used by millionaires for centuries. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. But first, let's talk about why just keeping your money in the bank could actually be costing you. Inflation is the gradual increase in prices over time, which means that the purchasing power of your money decreases. For example, if something cost $10 a few years ago, today, you might need $20 to buy the same thing. That's inflation at work. So if your savings are just sitting in a bank account earning minimal interest, you're actually losing money each year as inflation outpaces your returns. That's why it's crucial to invest in assets that not only keep up with inflation, but also grow your wealth over time. And today, I'm going to show you 10 of the best assets to do just that. Imagine having the freedom to escape the 9-to-5 grind, choosing how you want to live your life, and knowing that your money is working hard for you in the background. That's what we're diving into today. So let's get started. Starting off our list at number 10 are certificates of deposit, or CDs. These are a fantastic option if you need a safe place to park your money in the near term while earning better growth than a regular savings account. With a CD, you lock in your money for a set period, typically anywhere from 6 months to 5 years, and in return, you earn a fixed interest rate that's higher than what you'd get with a savings account. The best part? Your principal is protected, and you know exactly what return to expect. Currently, you can expect an annual return of about 1.5% to 3%, depending on the term length and interest rates. CDs are a great way to ensure your money is working for you, even if you need access to it sooner rather than later. At number 9, we have bonds, one of the safest investments out there. When you purchase a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation in exchange for regular interest payments. Bonds typically offer better returns than savings accounts, and, crucially, they tend to outperform inflation over the long term. Depending on the type of bond, you can expect an annual return of around 2% to 5%. Whether it's U.S. Treasury bonds or high-quality corporate bonds, this asset class is perfect for those who want steady, reliable income with minimal risk. Coming in at number 8 are precious metals, often referred to as God's money. These include gold, silver, and other metals that have held value since the dawn of civilization. Precious metals are scarce resources, making them an excellent hedge against inflation. They've been used as a store of value throughout human history, and even today, they remain a vital part of a diversified portfolio. Historically, precious metals have offered annual returns ranging from 1% to 5%, depending on market conditions. You can invest in physical metals, or if you prefer an easier route, you can buy precious metal ETFs, which allow you to own a stake in these valuable commodities without the hassle of storage or security concerns. Next, at number 7, we have dividend-paying ETFs. These are a bit different from index funds in that they focus specifically on companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Dividend ETFs provide a steady stream of income, which can be reinvested to compound your growth or used as a source of cash flow. Depending on the ETF, you can expect an annual return of about 2% to 4%, plus the added benefit of dividends that can boost your overall returns. For those looking for income with growth potential, dividend ETFs are a must-have. Number 6 on our list is index fund ETFs. These are among the easiest and most accessible investments you can make, even if you only have $1 to start with. Index funds track the performance of entire markets, like the S&P 500, allowing you to own a small piece of every company in the index. This diversification spreads out your risk and positions you for long-term growth. Historically, index funds have delivered annual returns of around 7% to 10%. And here's the beauty of it. Starting small with index funds can springboard you into affording some of the more expensive assets on this list as your wealth grows. Number 5 on the list is fine art and collectibles. These are not only beautiful or interesting items to own, but they can also appreciate in value significantly over time. Investing in fine art, vintage watches, rare coins, or even classic cars can yield substantial returns, especially if you have a keen eye for valuable items. For example, certain pieces of fine art have appreciated at annual rates of 5 to 10%, or even higher, depending on market demand. For those just starting out, consider collectible items like limited edition sneakers or vintage toys. These might be easier to attain and can still grow in value as they become more sought after. Art and collectibles offer a unique combination of enjoyment and investment potential. Coming in at number 4 are cash-flowing assets. These include investments that provide you with a steady income stream over time through royalties. For example, if you own the rights to a popular book, song, or patent, you can earn ongoing royalties every time it's sold or used. Similarly, creating an online course, licensing software, or producing digital content that generates ad revenue can provide passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Cash-flowing assets are a powerful way to build wealth, as they allow you to generate income without selling the underlying asset, which can continue to appreciate in value. Depending on the asset, you might see annual returns anywhere from 3% to 10% or more. Now at number 3, we have an asset that's often overlooked, but is the most important one of all: yourself. Investing in your education, health, and personal development is the most valuable investment you will ever make. Your ability to earn an income, develop new skills, and improve your health is worth more than any other asset, because if you lose it all, you'll have the tools and knowledge to build it all back again. By watching this video, you're already well on your way to achieving your goals. Whether it's through formal education, learning new skills, or taking care of your physical and mental health, investing in yourself is the foundation upon which all other wealth is built. Congratulations on taking this important step. Number 2 on the list is REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing properties, and they offer a way to invest in real estate without the hassles of being a landlord. REITs are publicly traded like stocks, giving you easy access to real estate markets and the ability to diversify across different types of properties, such as commercial buildings, apartments, and even hospitals. Over the past few decades, REITs have delivered annual returns ranging from 8% to 12%, making them an attractive option for those looking to diversify their portfolio and gain exposure to real estate. For those who want exposure to the real estate market, but may not have the capital to buy property outright, REITs provide an excellent entry point. And now, for the asset that's been the cornerstone of wealth for centuries: real estate. This is the fastest and most reliable way to grow your wealth, and it's not hard to see why. Real estate allows you to leverage other people's money to build your own fortune. By taking out a mortgage, you can buy a property with just a small down payment and rent it out, letting your tenants effectively pay off your loan. As property values increase, so does your equity, giving you a powerful tool to build long-term wealth. Real estate isn't just about owning property, it's about owning your future. Throughout history, land and property ownership have been symbols of wealth and power. Real estate is a bridge between your life now and the life you dream of. Freedom from the rat race, financial independence, and the ability to choose how you want to live your life. With the added tax benefits, like mortgage interest deductions, and the potential to use your property's equity to secure more investments, real estate remains the most foolproof way to grow your wealth. Millionaires and billionaires have been using real estate to grow their wealth for generations, and it's something you can start doing today. So why should we let the rich keep getting richer? Let's beat them at their own game. If you'd like to know how you can get your foot on the real estate ladder, check out my next video, where I'll show you how to start your property journey, no matter your income or financial situation. So there you have it, 10 of the most reliable assets for making money. Whether you're looking for steady growth, income, or a hedge against uncertainty, these assets can help you build and protect your wealth. Be sure to check out my next video on real estate if you're fed up with the rich getting richer and want your own piece of the wealth pie. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Robinhood, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest financial tips and strategies. Until next time, keep saving, keep investing, and remember, it's never too late to become your own financial hero.